Guys, we love you. We love you. We love you. We're the happiest people in this wedding right now.
We can't wait for the wedding to happen, and we know it's going to get over too soon, but we have to just make sure that we capture all of it mentally and emotionally.
I would describe it as like the perfect couple. एक तो दोनों बहुत सुंदर हैं, ठीक है, दोनों बहुत like it's such a, they are like such a beautiful and handsome couple. तो देख के लगता है कि हाँ, दोनों सुंदर सुंदर दिखने वाले तो मजा आता है देख.
अगर मैं श्रुतिका से एक साल बाद भी बात करूंगी, it feels like I'm talking with her after a minute. And Harsh, the moment I met you, I knew you were the one.
They're just a gorgeous couple to look at. They're just so admirable.
So I love that energy जो कि पूरी family में है ना ये.
Wait for this. You'll have to take an hour extra to get ready after this.
He knows exactly the way how to tackle her and handle her. All the positive stuff, more on the positive stuff that he knows how to handle and tackle her.
She's amazing.
मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज है और बहुत ज़्यादा अपनापन है इनके सबके बीच में. And when you also enter into that family ना, they make you your own.
That kind of love or the kind of respect and the kind of mutual admiration that they have for one another is something that you don't find in other people. Even when they're having a conversation with each other, they don't know that they're doing it, but they are constantly telling each other how nice they are.
I haven't seen many couples complimenting each other so seamlessly. It's unbelievable. They both are so like meant to be. I mean, I think I'm sure people say it on every couple's wedding, but I have been watching this for such a long time.
It's not a big surprise.
I think she'll be happy with him, and I think she'll be way too happy with him. And that's the bad part, because then she will not spend as much time as I want her to with him.
It's not a big surprise. It's not a big surprise. It's not a big surprise.
You want a boomerang? I'll give you the best boomerang. ये घुमा दूँगा बस.
और रोमांस चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
खुशियाँ जो रहती है अनंत रहती है एकदम. सबसे पहले मैं उससे और पूछूंगा करके, बेटा कुछ ख्वाहिश है तो बताओ. अपन पापा बेटी जो है शेयर करेंगे उससे. अब बड़ी बेटी तृप्ति को जब शादी के समय विदा किए हैं, तो मैं बहुत कोशिश किया, मेरे को रोया नहीं.
अभी कोरत देने जा रहे हैं, समझे सब.
लेकिन इस बार मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है बार बार कि मेरे आंसू रुकेंगे नहीं. क्या दोनों बेटी विदा हो जाएंगी, हम अकेले हो जाएंगे. मैं 2 दिन से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आँख में आंसू नहीं आए, लेकिन बार बार आ जा रहे हैं एकदम. अब विदा के समय पता नहीं मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं खुद नहीं कह सकता हूँ. हमको अपना दिल का टुकड़ा काट के दे रहे हैं.
छुपा छुपी अखियाँ खेलो ना, गुनगुनी डुबकी ले लो ना.
और बचपन में खूब जिद करती थी वो.
Papa used to come from office, and in the night, so many times he used to sit with camera and take my and my sister's pictures. We used to actually get ready.
हवा में उड़ता जाए मेरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, हवा में दुपट्टा उड़ता जाए.
अब ये सब मौके मेरे हाथ से ख़त्म हो जाएंगे।
पापा ना मजा तो आपको कैमरा से आता है, लेकिन कॉन्शियस भी इतने फटाक हो जाते हो ना।
बिनी नीचे चलो अपन बाबू,
आप निकलो हम लोग निकल।
अपन निकल रहे।
वीडियो बताइए।
पहले पैर में, फिर घुटने में, दोनों करते जाना है, फिर ये कोहनी में, फिर कंधे में, फिर माथे में।
साध्यम चवर्ति संयुक्तम वैनम ज्योतिर्मय दीपम ग्रहण देवी चित्र लोकित मेरापहम एम छोड़ दो।
बताएंगे ना, बताने का काम उसका।
अच्छा आपका क्या काम है?
बताइए
बताइए। आपकी नज़रों में बताइए, आपकी नज़रों में हर्ष के लिए बोलिए ना, हमने तो बोल दिया, आप बोलिए।
चलो नहीं फोटोज देते।
एक्चुअली हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ में जो फंक्शन रहते हैं दूल्हा दुल्हन के, वो जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं इस पे बनाया हुआ है हम लोगों ने, और उसके नीचे में पहले गणेश पूजा होती है। उसके बारे में ये मान्यता रहती है कि जो हमारे पूर्वज हैं जो नहीं रहे हैं, तो वो उनको आशीर्वाद हम उनका चाहिए, उसके लिए ये मातृका पूजन किया जाता है। एक्चुअली उसके अभी ग्रैंडफादर की डेथ रिसेंटली हुई थी दिवाली के समय, और हर्ष अपने दादा का बहुत लाडला था।
छुपा छुपी अखियां खेलो ना।
और उसके दादा की इच्छा थी कि भाई हर्ष की, सोनू कहते थे उसको, और उनको ये था कि हर्ष की शादी जल्दी हो, मैं दुल्हन देखूं उसकी, हर्ष के लिए, क्योंकि वो दादाजी से बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच था। उसको ये था कि दादाजी आपको चलना है शादी में, आपको बारात में चलना है। तो लगा दे पापा का नया शर्ट में।
नहीं तो वो तो वैसे खुद ही पान लगा लेंगे। मुझे चेंज करना है। 100 साल की हो गया। अरे दाढ़ी साफ कौन करवाएगा? अरे तो अच्छा तो दिख रहा है। बहुत अच्छा। शाहरुख खान बोला। इतना अच्छा लड़का मिला मेरे को, मैं इतना खुश हुई।
छुपा छुपी अखियां खेलो ना।
हल्दी का ये प्लान है कि once he is done with all these rituals, he will be free access and we gonna attack him.
पूरा अलीला दीवा को लपेट देंगे।
वीडियो बन रहा है।
मिनी माई डियर मस्तानी, बाई गॉड दीवानों की दीवानी।
मैं दीवानों की दीवानी?
हाँ।
मेरी दीवानी कौन है?
दिए मुझे बाल माँ,
बत्ती जल्द बना लगा हूँ। इतना भी दिख रहा है, वो सब येलो होने वाला है। हम लोग को लगाना है। हाँ, अभी तो ये भी ट्रेलर बचा हुआ है।
मैं वहाँ से भाग के पूल में कूद जाऊंगा सीधा।
हाँ? पैर हम लोग खेलेंगे। हल्दी की होली।
आज नहीं तो आज नहीं।
अरे भाई नीचे। We want to see Donald Duck. बोला और एक बार में।
यार अगर ये नहीं होना तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड की शादी का फील नहीं आएगा, तो ये तो बनता है यार।
एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रात
I will put. You should have thought before that. अभी नहीं।
अरे सर्दी इस तरह में।
एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रात
She ran off. This is not like a bride. This is not bride behavior.
We started this. Can you describe your journey in this relationship in one line? We'll start with that.
So, Chalu, you must have thought of this one only, na, first?
No, not like
First, you answer, na? You describe.
See, I guess our journey in this relationship has been of mutual trust. It's too much of trust.
राधा और कृष्ण की राधा और कृष्ण की जोड़ी अमर रहे। तो आज पराठा खावे है।
बागे विच फुल कोई ना, बागे विच फुल कोई ना, हसी तेनू की दसी।
Very nice old song that I remember.
I'm not going to sing. I know. No. You don't really have to have lyrics.
Now you know the song?
I forgot it that only, but I don't know the full song.
That's why ठीक है, ज़्यादा पीसफुल है ना, भाग जाएं।
I didn't want to run away.
सीधा मंडप पे आएंगे।
And in every capacity, I found you as a very sincere person, like sincere with everything and anything. So I know that when you love me sincerely, like that.
With dedication.
With dedication.
With effort, na?
Yeah, always. Like I remember the first time I thought that if I'm to get into a relationship with you, I knew that it would bring me to this day.
एक दूसरे के हम आओ ना सपने सोलों ने सुनो, चुपचाप बैठे हुए ख्वाब है, बेचैन है थोड़े बेताब है, अंदर कहीं
Growing up, after a particular point of time, I wanted to get married, bro.
है ना?
As simple as that, I wanted to. Because if I'm committing, so I would want to take it
That's why I knew I would sit in this place today if I'm dating you.
If I'm committing, then I would want to take it to the logical end, yeah.
Logical end?
Yeah, logical end.
Or
was
the
to-
obvious thing.
Yeah, the obvious thing.
बैठो कभी साथ मेरे भी दो बातें करो।
I don't believe in soulmates. I don't believe that there is one person made for everybody. But Rupika makes me believe like if there is somebody who is a soulmate, then she's the one for me. ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है that she's going away because Harsh has become such a integral part of the whole friendship between me and Rupika, and I said this yesterday at the Sangeet.
I have been looking for a gift for you for the longest time, and I could not find anything better than the fact that I'm sharing her with you.
I am happy to share.
This is absolutely
Yes,
ridiculous.
they, why not them? Yes.
Call it soulmate, you know. There is a sense of, calmness and peace that you associate with that particular word and also the person. Even though the moment she entered my life, the life became, more adventurous. I'll correct my words. Life became adventurous, but yes.
Eventful?
Eventful, yes. But coming back to the definition
You started
of soul,
living?
yes. But coming back to the definition of soulmate is
Before
for
I
me
met
as a
you,
person.
you didn't have a soul. You found your soul.
Jump.
बताइए, नहीं तो कई पति लंबे छोड़ते हैं, यूं मारा यूं पछाड़ा, बीवी उस हिसाब से खर्चा कर देते हैं और क्रेडिट कार्ड वाले फोन करता है
बचाने का भी व्यवस्था करेंगे और उस हिसाब से अपना मैनेजमेंट करेंगे। तो आप पूरी जानकारी जो है दीजिएगा।
अरे तो मैं बस टच कराऊंगा, हो गया थे तो अब हो गया।
Tell them I'm leaving. ये कौन करता है यार? This is not fair play. ये fair नहीं है। ये नहीं मानेंगे।
उसको पहले पूछ लेना कि कितना देर में देंगे वापस, फिर बोलना we need it in half an hour.
We knew each other since past 10 years, love. It's been 10 years. 2009, it's 2020 now. We have become uncle and auntie. God.
I have not. I don't know.
We मतलब बाकी लोग मतलब we are तो still there.
Hello there. You've been pulling me closer. Let's write about you and me. I'll sing to you a lullaby. Let's make a story of our own. We walk everywhere hand in hand, walking this path of life.
And one last thing, welcome to the marriage club.
Together we walk this road.
Like I was saying, we should always chill and not plan. Because planning is stupid.
It's 5 o'clock right now. For another 1 hour, I guess this will be the mandap area.
दौड़े चलो
हाँ मासा बहुत वाव दिखते हैं। बता दो पहले।
Beautiful voice and a smile.
I
It's
love
melting
you.
my heart so fast, making me love you more. Wanna love you till the very end.
Or smile properly, हाँ smile ना.
Darling, promise me you will stay until the very end. No matter what comes in, together we'll stay strong.
Mama best dance, इतना सुंदर, बढ़िया. लोगों को डांस करवाने के मास्टर. डांस अच्छा लगा क्या आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया।
Hello, love. Get ready fast. I am coming to get you, love.
More like I'm coming to you.
More,
not coming to
more
me.
like both of us will be together now. That's the best part. How are you feeling? How are the butterflies in your stomach?
They're not butterflies.
Huh?
Yet.
Million
There are
butterflies. How
butterflies,
many
yeah.
butterflies? How many butterflies in your stomach right now? Give me a count.
0 right now. But maybe there.
Last night, what were you saying, Bebu? You saying? Never, never, I wanna go. I wanna, don't go, don't go. Now you will never have to go, love. Today is the day. You're going back with me.
Yes.
I'll see you soon. Bye.
See you. Love you.
Bye. Don't get conscious if people are around, okay? Bye. Yeah.
Can't think of anything right now. Now I'm getting butterflies.
So I asked her out first. On many occasions, on several occasions, I asked her out. At many occasions, I was the one who took the step of asking out her father, sister.
Yeah, you asked my
brother-in-law,
father out.
Everyone.
You asked
And
everyone
I
in
also
my
asked
family
her
out.
because it cannot happen so that I don't take the girl in confidence before taking her family into confidence. So it's a logical corollary, guys. It happens like that only. First act was like, say that Harsh said,
So when
I love you.
When I said I'm going to leave, then he said,
What kind of a bad
No,
person
actually,
are
no.
you? No.
No, that didn't wait.
Did you forget?
No, I know you said I love you, but after like 5
Got it? You've got it? You've got it. See, that's how a person proposes. You don't say that, you know. पापा नहीं मदर बेटी से शादी करनी है.
मारवाड़ी हूँ मैं, गुजराती
अरे
पारसी
तो
नहीं
ठीक
हूँ.
है ना, सीखना है. उस शिट कल सीखना भी था कुछ.
कल एक श्लोक बोलना है.
हाँ.
बता चुके.
एक से एक मिले तो हुए 11. एक से एक मिले तो हुए 11. ऐसी सास मिली तो ये दामाद हुआ ब्याह. जितना देर यहाँ डांस करना है, कोर्ट एरिया रहेगा, थोड़ा ठंडा रहेगा. तो स्टार्टिंग का डांस पहले यहाँ पे और 5 बजे से 7 बजे का हो जाएगी.
ये नजर उतरती है, काले रंग की नजर, इधर से सफेद रंग की भी नजर होती है. देखते थे ना.
बधाई हो सोरुदा हो, बधाई हो, ऐसे बोलना.
चलो आज चलो.
I was waiting for this day, and the day has finally come. And as I'm looking out, the wind rushing through the palm tree, the sea right in front of my eyes. Winds telling me that it's the nature that has brought me closer with you every single time that we have been out. Yes, that is because nature is always pure. So is our love. Pure. The purity that I have seen in you and in your eyes and in your smile is what has made me this man to have asked you out and then take your hand and be with you forever for the rest of my life. I'm so glad, I'm so happy that I'm doing this. There's an enormous amount of happiness inside of me. There's a certain part that you are capable of doing, but then you need that other missing puzzle, that part of the puzzle that completes you.
So we like that jigsaw puzzle. No?
You completed me, yeah. So I'm happy.
And I promised you this happiness. I will give you
After
forever.
40 years
like
also?
Yeah.
40 years also. Okay. That means you admit I have proposed you properly? I've asked you out properly?
Also been.
You have
I've
not?
been nice.
Yes, say yes.
Yes.
And I will love you more and more every day. Little more.
मेरे करीब ख्वाबों को क्यों बने नसीब watching me serve in disbelief or will you die for what you believe
मंजूर ही होगा। हाँ, 7वां मंजूर है कि नहीं, क्योंकि हाँ ये 7 के बराबर एक ही था।
Fear that makes me strong, I believe.
Mission accomplished. मेरे तो होके रहेंगे, मैंने कहा ही था। Officially मेरे तो हो गए।
अरे यारा तेरे something एक सेकेंड। ओ यार मेरे तुम भी हो गजब, ओ यार मेरे तुम भी हो गजब, ना 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 ना। बस नहीं याद आ रहा, बट बेसिकली इट मींस कि तुम गजब हो।
Thank you, thank you.
We love you guys so much. And you guys
look amazing together.
Yes.
We had the blast, like crazy blast in the wedding. I was limping, running, but still it was like something that I could not, avoid or stop myself from doing so. And I'm so happy for you. You cannot even imagine.
And I think the week we guys spent in Goa before your wedding are the
That was a
moments.
special one.
Yes.
Especially Harsh. That is something we will remember throughout our life.
There can be no one else who can handle Vinny the way Harsh does. And they are perfect together. Perfect.
And wish you best of everything for your near future, for the new future, for the new life, and especially with a guy like Harsh, I'm sure I'm not worried at all. I know he will take care of you to the best way possible, and I really am happy for you.
And touch wood, guys. You guys make such a beautiful couple. So just touch wood. And a lot of blessings, a lot of love from us.